Hi, I'm Kazia from Robo Wunderkind. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started. First, we're going to make sure we have the Google Play Store activated and installed on your Chromebook. Then, we're going to find the Robo Wunderkind app and install it onto the Chromebook. First of all, what you're going to do is tap on the bottom right corner, click on the gear icon. Now you'll see the settings for this specific Chromebook. Just scroll down until you get to the app section. Now here you go. Now, as you can see, the Google Play Store is here, and you're going to want to hit turn on. But if you see that it's grayed out like this, what that means is that the setting is managed by your IT administrator, and you're going to want to contact them to make sure that it's unlocked. Now that I've contacted the administrator, I'm going to check on the Google Play status on our Chromebook. Scroll down, see the Google Play Store. It is now activated because the setting is managed by an admin and I was just granted access. Awesome! Now let's go to the Google Play Store. Now search for Robo Wunderkind. Here is our app. Now you can install onto the Chromebook. Okay, amazing. Now you can hit open. It's important when you're starting up the app for the first time to allow Robo Wunderkind to access the device's location. This is very important for the functioning of the main block and to properly use the Robo Wunderkind. So allow it. So if you see that the location service is disabled, you're going to open location services. Do you see that this bar is grayed out? You're going to want to hit that. And it says, can I turn on location? And you're going to agree. Awesome. Okay, so now that the location is turned on, we can go back, hit the Robo Wunderkind icon, and you are ready to start. At this point now, you're going to want to create a new Robo Wunderkind account. If you already have an account with us, go ahead and log in by putting in your email and password, or if this is your first time, hit that Create New Account button and get started. Fill out your email and password, agree to our terms and conditions, and hit Create Account. Okay, I just logged into my own account, as you can see. You can also add other profiles. And once you hit that, now we just need to connect your Robo. So check out the next video in which we'll walk you through how to connect the Robo. Great! I hope this video helped you get started. Till next time.